Welcome everyone, I'm Chef Christy and I'm so glad that you're watching today because what I want to show you how to make is a smoothie. Now I love smoothies because you can have them for lunch or breakfast on the go and they're nutritious and delicious, simple and quick. So I am going to show you today how to make my green smoothie. Now don't be scared because I said green, it is truly delicious. So I'm going to go over these ingredients with you and show you all your options that you can use when you make smoothies. So if quick and easy and delicious recipes are something that you're interested in, you might want to consider subscribing to my channel. So let's get started. Okay, so what I have here is my smoothie freezer pack that I keep in my freezer, and it has bananas, strawberries, and zucchini. And zucchini doesn't add a lot of flavor, but it does actually make your smoothies creamy, and of course it increases your vegetable to your smoothie. And then I have spinach, which is going to make it green, and then your choice of liquids. Today I'm going to use this strawberry parfait that's got yogurt, so it has some protein in it. But if you have a dairy allergy, you could use almond milk or even regular milk. And then a lot of times I will use this coconut water as well because it does not have that many calories. And then I like to add chia seeds. Sometimes you can even add nut butters to them, but today I'm just going to show you one option to make a green smoothie, and it is so good. So stay with me. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is add just a couple handfuls of spinach to my blender. And then I'm going to pour this strawberry, whatever this stuff is called. I'm going to pour that right in there, and then I'm going to blend the two of these together. Okay, I'll let the spinach and the strawberry smoothie drink blend for a while, and then I added my strawberries, bananas, and zucchini. And then what I'm going to do is I have a little bit of pineapple juice that I had reserved from a can of pineapple because I save all that stuff. And I've also got some coconut water, and I'm just going to add some coconut water to this, and my chia seeds. Dump those in, and so then I'm going to blend this up. Alright, so my smoothie is all done, and so then I'm just going to pour it into a nice glass. Now, I also want to tell you another idea that you can use with smoothies is if you have these popsicle molds. This is great with kids because you could just pour, if I can do this without making a mess, which I did, but you can pour them into your popsicle mold, and then you have a delicious and nutritious popsicle for kids. And all kids like popsicles, but you can really feel good about it because it's packed with the spinach and the vegetables and the chia seeds, so it's really, really good for them. Okay, the smoothie is all done. It's so quick and easy and nutritious and delicious. And I even have 4 popsicles that I'm going to put in my freezer for my grandsons. I know they're going to love those. And I really hope that you try this with the spinach and the zucchini. I think you'll be quite surprised at how delicious it is. And you can feel good about it with the zucchini and the spinach in there. It just boosts your nutritional value to your smoothie. And it is so, so good. That is delicious. And I love these for breakfast or lunch. And in the future, I'm going to show you some more recipes for smoothies. So I hope that you enjoyed learning today of how I make mine, and I hope that you consider subscribing to my channel. Leave me a comment below and let me know if you have a favorite smoothie or you want me to make a different kind. I would be glad to make something that you're interested in. So until next time, I will see you and talk to you soon. Thanks for watching.